Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a digital envelope budgeting system that helps you track income, plan spending and manage bills. It works both on your phone and on a PC browser just like a physical ledger or the envelope system, and Goodbudget lets you see exactly where your money goes. First, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, you can find there's an address bar. Type down goodbudget.com and enter it. Over here, look at the top right, login. Make sure to log into your account, and over here you will immediately find this logout option in the top right in the drop down menu, and simply click onto this logout and you will immediately be signed out and return to the login page, and that is it. Your session is closed. Ensuring your account is secure, perfect for shared or public computers to prevent unauthorized access. And always log out on shared or public devices. If the logout option does not appear, refresh the page or check the browser window is fully expanded. And using Goodbudget effectively is not just about tracking money, it's also about protecting your data. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.